Ever missed your train stop while zoning out with music or struggled to hear important announcements on your commute? I used to worry about blocking out my surroundings with earbuds, and let's be honest, switching devices was always a hassle. Plus, noisy environments made calls sound muffled and unclear. Language barriers during travel or work calls? Always stressful. That was me until I found the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Check out these sleek silver wireless earbuds. First, the all-new open-type design, no ear tips needed. They're so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing them. And you stay aware of your surroundings, even with music on. Perfect for commuters and busy professionals. Active noise cancellation reduces unwanted background noise, so you get crisp audio but still hear what matters. Adaptive equalizer powered by Galaxy AI personalizes your sound. It automatically adjusts based on how you wear the buds. Every track, every podcast, tuned just for you. And here's my favorite feature. Live Translate. On calls or face-to-face, hear instant translations. Someone says hola, you hear hello. No more awkward language barriers at work or abroad. Cinematic 360 audio turns any moment into a theater experience. Hear every detail, every direction, totally immersive. Switching between phone and PC? The auto switch makes it seamless. No more fumbling with Bluetooth settings. Super wideband microphones enhance call clarity. Even in noisy cafes or busy stations, your voice comes through. The metallic finish and ergonomic semi-in-ear design looks stunning. Lightweight and stylish. Choose silver or white. The charging case is compact and charges fast. Go wireless or plug in, your choice. Enjoy 6 to 8 hours of playback, up to 12 with the case. Enough battery for a full day of commuting or travel. Bluetooth 5.4 means stable, high-quality connections. SSC Hi-Fi and UHQ codecs deliver ultra-high audio quality. 24-bit 96K ATET sound. Music lovers, this is for you. Optimized for Android, especially Samsung Galaxy phones. Advanced features like Galaxy AI work best with Galaxy devices. But you can connect to iOS devices via Bluetooth too. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Pop open the case, the buds connect instantly. Slide them in, no ear tips, just a comfy fit. Play your favorite playlist and walk to work. Notice how you still hear traffic and announcements. Take a call. Hear and be heard clearly. Even outside. Switch from phone to laptop for a meeting. No interruptions. Traveling abroad? Activate Live. Translate for real-time help. Order coffee in another language. No stress, just smooth communication. Enjoy a podcast while cooking with sound tailored to you. Watch a movie at home. 360 audio makes it feel cinematic. Battery low? Pop them in the case for a quick charge. Ready to go again in minutes. The metallic finish stays stylish even after daily use. No more bulky headphones or tangled wires. Everything you need fits in your pocket. Galaxy Buds 3 make multitasking effortless. Stay connected, productive, and entertained wherever you go. Ideal for tech enthusiasts, commuters, and frequent travelers. If you love premium sound and smart features, these are for you. No more missing out on important moments or conversations. No more language confusion or muffled calls. Just clear, personalized audio and seamless connectivity. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Try the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 wireless earbuds today. Experience comfort, clarity, and convenience in every moment. Whether you're commuting, working, or traveling the world, don't settle for ordinary earbuds. Choose Galaxy Buds 3, where innovation meets everyday life. Tap the link to learn more or grab yours now. Your commute, your calls, your music just got smarter.